I like to put stuff online.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have found you guys another stock that is going to probably go up substantially with this new AI boom. And the stock is called BBAI. So if you guys look at my last couple of videos that I've made, actually for the last probably couple months, I've been one of the hottest YouTube traders that are out there. My videos are only 5 minutes and you don't get to see my face, but the material and the information on there is unlike anybody else's. I've calling these stocks plays out before they moon like anybody else's business. And you can imagine what we do here in the Discord. $10.99 a month. Subscribe to the YouTube. It's free. It shows a lot of love. But here's what's going on with BBAI. I like how they're teaming up with big industry leaders like Palantir, Autodesk, Amazon. And you're saying to yourself, well, what does BBAI do? They do government and defense solutions for national security. They do operations like optimizing supply chains and productions, helping things run quickly and more astutely. You look at healthcare and life science, they support studies, trials, and patent flow. Their AI system is top-notch. They have decisions, intelligence solutions. Their services are designed to help organizations analyze complex data, identify issues, and predict outcomes to support critical decision-making. It's exactly what these industry leaders need in regards to, I would say, more. Healthcare is for sure a good one. Government and defense is for sure a good one. And guess who they would use that with? Palantir. All it would take is one big announcement. So you look at BBAI's current market cap, and the current market cap is around 2.5 billion. Okay, 2.15 billion. Their shares float is only 280 million. I like that. I know in the grand scheme of things, that's a lot, right, to get a big flow going. But check this chart out here. We're not going to go into the nitty gritties with the stock details. I can give you the quick financials here. Watch this. Its trend yearly revenue gone up. You go to the quarterly here. I just want to show you the quarterly trend. It's still down 20%, indicative with the recent stock decline. But look at this. I wanted to show you its EBITDA after unusual expenses went down almost 59 million. And its income tax, don't really worry about that. Basic shares outstanding has basically kind of been the same the last quarters. Not too much dilution. But that being said, because the AI boom has not hit yet hardcore, and I believe it's going to hit soon. So we're going to see this is going up. This has been an uptrend. But I think once this hits here back into this range, so about 573, I think we hit around, sky's the limit. I think with a big announcement with secured revenue, with a contract that is big is around 1 billion, which is very much possible. You get a $1 billion contract for the scale of probably 5 or 6 years. It seems like what most of these AI contracts are being with the Institute, and I think this is going to buy. These are just one of the things that you kind of just hold and forget. You look at the weekly for this KDJ, everything is playing for an uptrend. So you could get in right now and just hold. I currently don't think that's a bad idea as well. Your risk to reward ratio is higher. And what do I mean by that is you have a stock price hovering around the 7s. You're risking getting in now and it going to 16. And then you said if you're waiting to hit 567, like I said, and get going higher, you're risking about $1.60 but you're gaining $16 of this current projection. So, I mean, in my opinion, I like this stock overall. I think it's a stock to watch out for. I mean, you buy it. I also think that you should wait a little bit to see what it does. But tomorrow's news on Monday, there's going to be having the stock market pause tariffs for 90 days with China. The EU just invested $600 billion with the United States, the European Union. So I think all steam's ahead, fellas and ladies. Subscribe to the YouTube. It's helpful. It shows love. We're all in this together. Don't be one of those guys that takes free data and never helps and gives. And come over to the Discord. $10.99. We have professional day traders over there. We have a news bot. We have all this. It's the cheapest Discord in the market, and you make the most revenue. All right, guys. Love you.